I absolutely love this truck. It's a one owner 2003 F150 Super Crew. Let's take it for a test drive. To be completely honest with y'all, I don't have a particular reason as to why I love this truck so much. I don't have any draw to this body style or this, again, particular truck, but I am a huge fan of it. I was 2.3 seconds away from just keeping this as my daily driver. It is an extremely clean and a really low mileage, nice F-150. It's a single owner 03 F-150 Super Crew with 40,391 actual miles, factory four-wheel drive, and it's a Lariat trim package truck. So it has pretty much everything outside of a couple little things you could have got added on these trucks back in the day, but it's just a nice pickup front to back, inside and out. But it's a clean Carfax, purchased it from the original owner, was a West Coast truck. It lived its life in Arizona and California since it was brand new until we brought it here to Texas. And again, it's a documented 40,391 actual miles. It is a clean Carfax, clean auto check, no accidents or damage ever reported. This one retains its original Triton 5.4. If you're unfamiliar with these trucks, you could have got them with the 4.6 or the 5.4. This one has the 5.4, which runs fantastic. It's basically a brand new truck. It's not even broken in yet. And I believe the transmissions in these were a 4RW7 or 4R70W. I got to go back and look exactly what they are, but the automatic overdrive transmission that these came with. Factory four-wheel drive with your electronic selector on the dash there, which works excellent. You have your disc brakes, you have your power steering, cold factory AC. Still retains all of its factory exhaust. Just nothing for me to complain about mechanically. Again, this is something that I would personally drive every single day. I'm actually sad to do this video because I'm back and forth. Like I want to keep this truck, to be completely honest with you. I would drive it as my daily driver for a very long time. These trucks are really reliable. They're known to go 300,000 miles with just some very minor maintenance things that will probably pop up at some point. But the 5.4s and the 4.6s for this year range are extremely reliable and known to go again for a really long time. This is a great pickup. On the interior, being a Lariat, you have the Lariat medium Parchment interior. The leather's in fantastic shape front and rear with just a little bit of bolster wear from getting in and out on both sides. Dash has no problems. Top of the steering wheel is great. Headliner, visors, no issues with any of that. Door panels look good. Your seats fold down in the back. You got your electronic seats over here on the driver's side front. Carpet looks great. Floor mats look great. Only thing I'm going to note, and it's the most common thing that goes wrong with these pickups, is you have your selector there, and you're supposed to have a couple different displays, but when you press it, it just has the directional go away. So something in the little the board up there. Really common information online for this year range Ford. So you just have the one directional that's working, showing southwest right now, and then it will go north, east, south, west, wherever you want it to go. But the other displays are not popping up when you click the button. You have your little overhead console, which is in great shape. You have your factory garage door opener, which is really cool. The little little decal still on the visor there. You have your overhead consoles, or overhead lights, excuse me, which work great. And then the only other thing I'm going to note on the interior here is the tint is cut a little bit short on the edge of the windows up front, but outside you don't notice it. Inside you can kind of see where the tint was cut a little bit short. You do have your adjustable pedals over here on the dash. You have your flip-up console here with the middle seat. You can put another third person up front if you want to. Glove box opens and closes properly as well. We do also have the original owner's manual and window sticker on this truck. Does It Work section can be found on the website pcclassiccars.com as far as all of your electronics and gauges. Again, outside of the little display there, everything is working on this one. Air's cold, heat's hot, your AC controls work, your stereo works, and this does have the 6-disc CD changer in it. We're warmed up. Let's go ahead and get in the throttle and test out the 5.4. Pulls really well, has plenty of power. Just a great one owner pickup. On the underneath, being a West Coast truck, one owner and super low miles, it's like new on the bottom. There's nothing for me to complain about. The inner rockers look brand new. The exhaust is still extremely clean. Suspension all looks great. No real corrosion of any kind. The bottom side of this pickup represents like a 5,000 mile truck. It really is clean for 40,000 miles. On the exterior, the code is named Arizona Beige. Great looking color, paint quality's nice. You have a couple little streaks and little scuffs on the front hood. There's a small little touch-up over on the passenger side in front of the hood and the fender extension over there. Other little touch-ups and miscellaneous little things around the pickup, but it really is in nice condition. Brand new white letter BFG tires. You have your factory Lariat wheels, and we do have a 5th Lariat wheel with an older tire on it, but we do have a 5th wheel that goes with the truck as well. You have the nice bed topper in the back. Inside the bed is extremely clean. Overall cosmetics on this pickup are great. The little flaws that I did take photos of are found on the website pcclassiccars.com in the additional media tab, where you will see the Carfax, the Autocheck, the motor numbers, VIN numbers, all that stuff, as well as the little imperfections on the pickup. You can find the doesn't work section if I did not already mention that. Click on the inventory tab, click on this truck, scroll to the very bottom. You'll see the additional media tab for all of our vehicles. We post that for every single one of them. But the list is real short on this one. It is a really, really nice Ford from the early 2000s. As far as your brakes and your steering, it's all factory equipment. The Super Cruise, for me, they ride fantastic. Suspension is great, it has an awesome road feel to it. The driving position is also really comfortable. You do have tilt, you do have cruise, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, all of which are working properly. You do also have your rear defrost back there, which kicks on, kicks off like it should. Your power adjustable driver seat foam feels good over here. You can get really comfortable on long trips. Glass is in excellent condition with no windshield issues. Side windows again roll up and down like they should. You do have the little tint spots I was talking about where the tint's a little bit older. You could probably redo the tint if someone wanted to, but you don't have to. You have your rear view mirror, which is clear and easy to see out of. You have your side mirrors, which is great. I'm gonna be sad when this truck sells, and I expect it to sell really quickly because of how nice it is, but I really wanna keep this as my daily driver. I just love clean, really nice vehicles. Nothing wrong with the brand new stuff. I drive it, that's what I have, it's what I cruise around in every day, but I just like the hell out of this truck. I'm a Ford guy, and finding low mileage stuff that's just well cared for, great miles, loaded up like this one. It obviously doesn't have the heated seats and it doesn't have the sunroof, but for me, I could care less on that stuff on an early 2000s vehicle. Inside the bed again is great. The topper's in nice condition where you do have the little lock. On the inside of the topper, there's supposed to be 2 bars. One goes left and one goes right. When you unlock it, the bars move and it unlocks the top. There's only 1 bar on the inside, 1 locking bar on the inside of the tonneau cover. So looks like the one that's on the driver's side's not there, but it still locks and unlocks like it should. The tailgate opens and closes properly, but the inside of the tonneau cover is missing one of the little arms on the driver's side. Inside the engine bay, all OE factory original numbers matching. Triton 5.4 wiring looks good. Charging system's doing its job. Belts, hoses, serviceable items, everything checks out exactly like it should. No complaints in that engine bay, and really no complaints at all for this truck. I'm really searching to find stuff to nitpick on this one. You have the little missing arm on the lock on the inside of the tonneau cover. You have your little selectable overhead console, and then your little tint things. I'm searching to nitpick this truck because it's that kind of quality of a pickup. 4-wheel drive system again works exactly like it should. It's quiet in here. I love my aftermarket exhaust across the board on everything, but for a daily driver worthy pickup like this, I love the fact that it still has the original exhaust. You really don't even hear it. You hear a little bit of the motor. It's really quiet on the inside of this pickup. They're understated for how great this year range, I guess they're the 10th generation Fords are. They're not the most popular truck in the world, but this is just a really good one. And I know I love my white letter BFGs and all my 4-wheel drive. It just sets this truck apart from the rest. They're an expensive tire, but they're well worth it. They're a great quality tire. They last a really long time. And again, they just look great. As always, I'm Michael. This is a super clean, 1-owner, 03 F150 4-wheel drive Lariat with the Triton 5.4. From myself and everybody here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Make sure you check out the additional media section on the website pcclassiccars.com and check out the content we're posting across the social platforms every single day. Catch you guys on the next video.